Katie Price's son Harvey was happy and dancing as he greeted fans with high fives at his first nightclub appearance. The 19-year-old, who has Prader-Willi Syndrome, diabetes and autism, danced happily and posed with fans while they chanted his name at the Acapulco bar in Halifax. 4. Katie Price declared son Harvey was happy after his first nightclub appearance. Credit, splash. Harvey filmed the crowd screaming his name and then had a little boogie to the music playing in the club. Proud mom Katie shared videos of Harvey's fun night to her TikTok, where she labeled him Happy Harvey. Fans loved seeing the lad enjoying himself on the night out. Harvey is a national treasure, commented one fan. Another added, Katie, you're doing brilliantly as a mom, look at Harvey go, and that's down to you. And a third wrote, such a beautiful soul, bless his heart. Partygoers handed over £10 to pose alongside the lad, who has appeared with his mum in shows including the BBC's What Harvey Did Next. The Sun revealed during the week that Katie had secured a £6,000 fee for their appearance at the club, where drinks cost as little as 75p. A source said, Katie normally charges more, but she's agreed to appear for £6,000 as she's keen for Harvey to make his own money. He'll all go into his bank account for when he's older. It's £10 for a meet and greet so the club can pay her fee easily. People will be queuing up to meet them. A message on the club's website said, reality legend Katie Price visits Acapulco nightclub in Halifax once again, this time bringing her son Harvey to the party. Katie posted on Instagram, Halifax, here we go with Harvey's first-time club appearance and first time in a club. Katie's trip to Halifax comes just days before her next bankruptcy hearing. And it comes after the former glamour model appeared at Crawley Magistrates Court, where she pleaded not guilty to breaking a restraining order. After hearing her plea, District Judge Amanda Kelly warned the former glamour model she is in grave danger of going to jail if she is convicted of sending a text to her ex, Kieran Haler, about his fiancée. 4. The teen appeared at a nightclub in Halifax for a £6,000 fee. Credit, splash. 4. Harvey high-fived fans, posed for photos and even stopped to have a dance. Credit, tiktok.com/@KatiaPrice. 4. Katie shared videos of Harvey's big night out to social media. Credit, splash. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.